Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did some questions of past papers from the topic differentiation. We will continue past papers of differentiation in today's lecture and coming to 3 lectures more. Before I start my lecture, I would suggest all those students who are watching my videos first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is AddMath. Watch chapter number 14, chapter number 15 and chapter number 16 from your course book. Then you will have good command on this topic. Let's do question number 13. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals to x into x square minus 12 whole power 1 upon 3 at the point on the curve where x is equals to 2. This paper came, you can see, May-June 2014, paper 1-3. Very easy. We have to find the equation of the normal. So write the equation of curve x square negative 12 power 1 upon 3 at x is equals to 2. So first we have to find the gradient of the curve, means derivative of this function. You can see there are two functions, one is x and one is x square minus 12 to the power 1 upon 3. So here two functions are multiplied, so we have to apply u into v formula. U into v formula is u v dash plus v u dash. So u is x, v is x square minus 12 to the power 1 upon 3. So write the power first, 1 upon 3 x square negative 12 1 upon 3 minus 1 is minus 2 upon 3 and multiply by the derivative of the function, that is x square minus 12 derivative. X square derivative is 2x and minus 12 derivative is 0 plus v time v is x square minus 12 to the power 1 upon 3 dot multiply by the derivative of x, that is 1. So 2x into x is 2x square upon 3 and this x square minus 12, sorry, one mistake, minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3 is on this. So 3 remains over here and this x square minus 12 becomes positive 2 upon 3 if we convert this numerator into denominator, plus x square minus 12 to the power 1 upon 3. Now satisfy this gradient of tangent, which I assign is mt. M stands for derivative or gradient and T stands for tangent at x is equals to 2. This value is given in the question. So 2x square 2 square upon 3 2 square negative 12 power 2 upon 3 plus 2 square negative 12 power 1 upon 3. 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8 upon 3. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 12 is minus 8 power 2 upon 3. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 12 is minus 8 power 1 upon 3. 8 upon 3, and if you use your calculator to find minus 8 to the power 2 upon 3, you will get 4. You can check, you will get 4. And if you find minus 8 to the power 1 upon 3, you will get minus 2. So, or you can say 4 to the 8. So 2 upon 3 negative 2, 3 to the 6, and 6 minus 4 is 4, minus 4 upon 3. So the gradient of tangent is minus 4 upon 3. Now find the gradient of normal. So if the gradient of tangent is negative 4 upon 3, then the gradient of normal is negative reciprocal of the gradient of tangent, that is 3 upon 4. So this is our required gradient of normal. Now we have to find the x values of x1, y1. x1 is given 2, and in order to find y1, write the equation again. Y is equals to x square minus 12 to the power 1 upon 3. Put the value of x is 2. 2 square minus 12 1 upon 3. Y equals to 2 square minus 12 is minus 8 1 upon 3. Y is equals to 2 into minus 8, 1 upon 3 is minus 2 minus 4. So x1 y1 is 2 comma minus 4. Hence our equation of normal is just like equation of a straight line, y minus y1 mn time x minus x1. Y minus y1 minus minus plus 4 mn. What we get? Mn is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 x minus x1, that is 2. So 4 into y, 4y plus 4 for the 16, 3x 6, or you may write 4y is equals to 3x. 16 should be shifted over there, and 16 negative 16 and negative 6 is negative 22. This is our final answer. This is the equation of normal. So see all steps again. First find the derivative, then satisfy the value of x by the derivative. You can see minus 4 upon 3, then the gradient of normal is 3 upon 4, and put the values, get the answer. So hope you enjoy this question. This question is came in May-June 2014, paper 1-3. Move to next question. Question number 14. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to x cube minus ln x at the point on the curve where x is equals to 1. Very easy. Again, We have to follow all steps. Write the equation of curve. Y is equals to x cube minus ln x. Find the derivative. 3x square ln x derivative is 1 upon x. Satisfy this derivative by the value of x. So 3, 1 is square minus 1 upon 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Find the value of y by putting the value of x is 1. X cube, 1 cube minus ln 1. 1 cube is 1 and ln 1 is 0, you know. 1 minus 0 is 1. Hence, the equation of tangent is y minus y1. Y minus y1 is 1 is equals to m. Gradient is 2 times x minus x1. x1 is also 1. Hence, the final answer is y minus 1 is equals to 2x minus 2, or y is equals to 2x minus 1 shift over here, plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this is our final answer, equation of tangent. Move to next part. Show that this tangent bisect the line joining the points minus 2, 16 and 12, 2. Very easy. Bisect means to find the midpoint of these two coordinates, minus 2, 16, 12, 2. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. 12 minus 2 is 10 upon 2 is 5. 16 plus 2 is 18 upon 2 is 5, 9. Now, if we put this value 5, 9 in the equation, given equation, the equation which we have find, y is equals to 2x minus 1. If this point satisfy this equation, it means the line is bisect. So put 9, y is 9, 2, x is 5 minus 1, 2 5s are 10 minus 1 is 9. Shown. Hence it is proved. See again the question. Show that this tangent means the line which we have find in part number 1, y is equals to 2x minus 1. Or I can read, show that y is equals to 2x minus 1 bisect the line joining the points minus 2, 16 and 12, 2. Bisect means this one. This tangent bisect the line. Bisect means equally divide, or you can say midpoint. So 5, 9. So this tangent is satisfied the midpoint, therefore answer shows that it is true that this tangent is bisect. So student, this is our today's class. This question came in October, November 2014, paper 1-1 as well as paper 1-2. In next lecture we will do some more questions. How many questions are left? Which we will do 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. So don't worry, but keep in mind we are doing nowadays paper 1 questions. So after question number 9 we will be doing paper 2 questions of differentiation. Okay, so I request all of you, if you like my videos, if you are satisfying my videos, kindly do subscribe my channel. Please, this is my humble request to you. Do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button, so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my channel, share my videos as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.